Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these adorable mini cheesecakes. If you guys want to see how I made these, well, keep on watching.
Using your food processor, you're going to crush some graham crackers. You can also buy them already all crushed, but you'll need 1 cup of graham crackers crumbs. You'll need 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and also 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. So you're going to mix everything up in your little bowl. As you can see here, I doubled the quantity because I'm doing a double batch. Divide the crust into the bottom of the silicone mold cavities and press firmly with a spoon, or like I'm using right here, the little measurement spoon. And then you're going to bake it for 10 to 12 minutes until the crust becomes a golden brown. And you're going to completely let it cool before filling it up with your filling. Using an electric mixer, you're going to beat in first the cream cheese, and by the way, all the ingredients have to be at room temperature, and then you're going to add gradually your granulated sugar and continue beating on medium speed. At this point, you don't want to overbeat, you just want everything to be nice and integrated. So I like to start off with the cream cheese just to make sure that it's nice and soft, and then I can go ahead and then add my sugar. Once everything is nicely combined, you're going to reduce the speed to low, and you're going to add 1 egg at a time, making sure everything is nice and combined, and you don't want to overbeat at this point. Super important. Then you're going to add your sour cream, your vanilla extract, or any extract that you want really, and your all-purpose flour. By the way, like I mentioned, the recipe, the full recipe will be in my description box down below. So you're going to pour your cheesecake mixture into your cooled silicone molds, and as you can see here, I'm pouring them all the way to the top, and that silicone mold also is on top of a cookie sheet, so like that I can simply, it's easier to just put it in the oven. So like that I'm going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheesecakes are completely set. Once they are baked, they should look something like this, and then you could go ahead and just pop them in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours or even overnight. Unmold and place it on whatever plate that you want, and then you can go ahead and garnish it with whatever toppings that you want. So for the topping, I use a strawberry syrup topping. So basically very simple. Take some strawberries, cut them in small little pieces, add a little bit of sugar. And then what I do, so that the sugar really extract the most possible juices from the strawberry, I cover it for maybe 20 to 15 minutes. And then once I uncover, I mix it up again with my spoon, and you will see it will extract and create all those beautiful juices.
So this is how I make these mini cheesecakes. They're actually so simple to make. Basically, the best tip that I have to give you is do not mix a lot, because the more that you mix, the more you're gonna put air into your cheesecake, and when you're going to cook it, or should I say bake it, that's when it's going to crack. So do not over mix. What you want is just to mix until everything is integrated and leave it as it is. So what I use is these little silicone molds, and again, if you guys are interested in this product, it will be in my description box down below, so you can go ahead and see where to get these. And so yeah, they're very simple to make. Simply start by doing your little crust and then pop it in the oven. Make sure to bake it for a few minutes, and then you're going to just cool it down and then put your filling inside and then just bake it. Once it's baked, I always pop the oven, I close the oven, and then I just open the oven a little bit, let them cool down in the oven for a little while, and then I transfer them to the fridge in the silicone mold for at least 4 to 5 hours, even overnight, and then you can go ahead and unmold, and they're just amazing. This recipe that I love so much, it's so easy to tweak. You can use any extract that you want, vanilla, you can add lemon to it, and then the toppings, you can do whatever toppings that you want. Actually, if you go in my description box down below, I will link the recipe that I use, the vanilla one that I use with the strawberry. But if you go to my blog, because it will bring you to my blog, in my blog there's many more cheesecakes that I made. I did a banana one, I did a lemon one, I did lemon lime key one. So you can tweak this however you want, and this is what I love about this recipe. So this was a very high demanded one from you guys on Instagram, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.